Ooh,
I was going fishing with my truck.
Oh, okay.
Crap happens. Triple B, the big brown beast. Down. All right, guys. Hey, it's starting to warm up.
Yeah, it was. You had ice on your pond.
It was thick, and that brings back some memories, right?
Did you drive your truck on the pond?
I did not this year. I thought twice about it.
So we wanted to reintroduce an old video, maybe do it a little bit better this time with this,
Show you
featuring
guys
this truck.
Triple B, the famous.
Big brown beast.
He's a bad boy, I'll tell you what.
Ryan took it ice fishing, so let's see what happened. So Ryan has a story to share for today.
I was having some fun on a snow day.
Yeah?
And got a little dumb.
Uh-oh. Does it have to do with bugs?
How about fish?
Ooh, uh-oh.
I was going fishing with my truck.
Oh, okay. Oh, you mean this truck?
I think I done screwed up.
Well, we brought an Echo truck today. That didn't quite work. Oh, we got a tractor. And it wasn't enough, huh?
We're going to spend the big money and get a tow truck out here.
So how's your truck, Ryan?
I might have broke a few parts on it. It's going to be an expensive joyride.
It doesn't steer very well right now.
No.
Well, so that was one of the exciting things that happened with the big brown beast. So tell us about this truck. What year is it?
It's a 2015 and I had it custom built.
Oh, this was your first one you ordered custom.
This was my baby, built from the ground up.
Because you wanted a fold-up seat in the middle and some other stuff, but you wanted the nice options.
And I wanted a different color than everybody else was going with.
Well, it was different back then. And then everybody saw it and they're like, hey, let's order that one.
But everybody went with a root beer, and this is not a root beer. This is something just completely
Caribou,
different.
I think.
That's right.
Caribou? Caribou. He likes caribou.
Yep. I haven't shot one, but I think about it.
He's planning on hitting one with the truck. So it's obviously lifted, right?
Yeah, lifted. We've got the hydraulic steps. That's always a plus.
And those are different ones than you just saw in the other video. He upgraded.
Some people accuse me of having small hands.
Small hands, yes. We're going to stick with that. He's got a small nose.
Small feet. We can just keep going.
Yep.
Anyway, yeah, so it's got a 6-inch lift on it.
Okay.
It's got 20-inch wheels with 37-inch tires. I did put this custom rock panel on it. because it was flinging rocks.
Okay,
chipping paint.
so he's talking about all the cosmetic crap, but what you want to know is that he has deleted this truck and chipped it and put a big old exhaust on it, and for some reason it smokes now. I don't get that.
I'm a coal roller. I'm one of those jerks. I don't have the big heavy horn on this one like I do the other one.
So he's got to make up for it with smoke. So this truck is still around. We use it sometimes. You use it sometimes. I never use it.
No, and Caden, this is it's his show and tell. He likes to ask me periodically if he could take it to work or to school.
Yeah, but we did have another adventure in this truck. Ryan decided when it snowed again to go out and do donuts. How'd that work out?
I might have broke something.
I seem to remember you having to be towed home.
And there was some pissed off people in my house because it caused us to miss some tournaments.
Oh, all right, so let's see what happened now.
Freaking blew my four-wheel drive. It's gone. Sayonara Triple B on the four-wheel drive. And now I'm stuck. What came out? Where?
See it spinning right there? It's not even connected anymore.
Crap happens. Triple B, the big brown beast, down. The Ford has to get pulled out by a GMC. Sad. Do you think Ford's proud of their logo? That's big.
They've always put a big logo on them.
Yep.
So that's Triple B. We brought it back. Brought it back from the dead. No, not from the dead.
No, it is a big brown beast though, man.
And it's not that fun to go on long road trips.
No, and because it sits so high, it'll rattle your teeth out of your face. But man, does it get on it.
It's a fun truck.
It ranks right up there with my Beamer. I mean, it's fast.
It is pretty fast. So that's Triple B. If you like the video, let us know. If you hate it, let us know.
If you want to buy it from me,
well,
don't
are
let
you
me know.
selling it?
I know, no, I'm not.
So we'll move on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our revisit of Triple B, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Take care.